Do you want an app to manage your residents association? You can get it on Onne. Install Onne Business app. Enter your mobile number and verify OTP. Select Residents Society app in the list of options you see. Set up and publish the app. The applets section here gives you all the features you need. Now you can invite your residents to join your app. Click on Users button below to invite your residents. Click on Admin in the User section to invite committee members who will help you manage the app. Save time and engage meaningfully with your residents' society.